It's another project I'm working on. Take this thing off. Wife likes to put stuff on the hood, so. And then we can down here. All my extra parts. Put a seat cover over it. Took the door panels off. Those are sitting up there. Got to rebuild them. Want to put the redo all this. Started taking it apart to rewire in here. It's pretty good. Rocker panels look good. Well, on this side. New addition to the family. But here, so far, is the problems. Typical. Passenger side. And we got a bunch of rust right in there. And there's holes. Whole thing. And then I think, I'm going to assume that that whole deal is the same way. But got to rebuild the dash a little bit. Put a pad on it. It's not very good. Yep. I'll show you. I'm gonna clean up those wires. I'm gonna get new control arms. Those bushings are shot. I'm gonna rebuild that guy. Got the Hydro Boost. And same with the cab mounts. And there we go. And that's it. I will post the progress of restoring this thing. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet. The wife wants to go back to original. I kind of want to lower it and do a little bit else. But I think I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit of each. So subscribe and all that good stuff. Can't wait. And
are you putting
not good.
this seat in the truck for me? See beyond for us, for me, help Dad, for me, Daddy.
Dun dun. Ruh-roh. That's not good. Bondo, some kind of metal filler. Looks like both floorboards. Not good. Dun dun dun. been sanding the body down on old Scamp. Gonna go with that patina look. Side of the truck was all brown like that. I'm gonna keep working at it. I think I'm gonna clear matte, because just wiping it down with some water. Getting a little bit better. I like it. Worked on the hood earlier. Try and get some before pictures of it. But again, wipe it down just with water. You get a little bit more of the character. That's not. I like it so far. Tell me what you think. Made my concoction all shook up. So, since I've been sanding it, part 2, got down to bare metal here. We're gonna give this a shot, kind of accelerate the rust. After just a couple minutes, got a little more rusty look to it. Give it a few more minutes. A little bit longer. Starting to dry. We're gonna keep hitting it until I get the color I want. There you go. Haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or not. I probably will. Haven't started her in about 4 or 5 months now. Started right up. My new bench seat. Gotta move her. How you like that? My gas pedal. Get her done. Hell yeah. Don't mind the junk.